looking past week 1 or week 2, what pieces are you putting in place for ongoing training? I know that's a really big piece. Do you set up cascading goals or anything, you know, that makes your reps feel like they're doing meaningful work? How are you looking past week 1 and week 2?
I can.
Go ahead.
I'll take a quick one at this, just because we have a very this is quite a thorough. We have a thorough onboarding program. So we have a program called the 30, 60, 90, and it's essentially at the first 30 days are mapped out what kind of trainings you can expect, next 60 and up to 90. With this in mind, it's a shared document that you will be sharing with the SDR. Through this, you can kind of track the progress. At any point, if they feel like they had that training, but they don't remember that training, they can rate that training out of 10. Do they feel confident on it? And essentially, it's a really easy way to kind of keep track also as a manager, especially if you're like onboarding loads and loads of classes at different times. It's a really nice way to look at, you know, the first 30 days is going to be your table stakes, how to be an SDR at the company. The next 30 to 60 days is going to be more about, adding bells and whistles, using kind of that omni-channel approach. I'll give Sam a little shout out here. It's when we would start to focus more on bringing in all our little snazzy tools, because we wouldn't do that straight away. So when we start to get our nice snazzy tool stack out, and then 60 to 90 is when you're going to be basically ensuring consistent performance. So I know that is a question that's below that I'd really like us to get to, because I know I'd like us to get to that, Sam, if that's okay, on the fact that not every team will consistently hit, and kind of what Sam and Patrick's take is on that, because I think that'd be quite interesting. But yeah, that sounds great. That's the very structured approach we take at Outreach in terms of the first 90 days. So yeah, that's us.
Anything to add there, Sam or Patrick? Or if we're down, maybe we can take a couple questions in our last couple of minutes.
I think there were plenty of questions that we probably didn't do as good of a job to address. So I have nothing.
Yeah, Molly's right. Listen to Molly. There you go.
Totally.
Yeah. Pay your money. Hire on as a consultant. Grossman
Awesome.
services.com, Irish.io, $5,000 an hour.